Minisita Baramu Barugahara okuragira kukoma abakozi no kubiha imirimo yabo kijaho bwa nyuma yo kwetombito kwakorwa ngo aba bakakozesa ku bisente za government ecyarugiremo kukozesa government loss
and sleep as people are stealing or making government lose money. The other mistake they made, irregular payment and violation of contracts of construction works of Urembe BCU Road, Miremba, and the Victor Guana links. Here the Mugisha, former engineer, Atwine Edgar is here.
Ogu erizo basibire natarago mu rurembo rwa Mbarara omuhururiye yo kushwiza ama project za government no kurwana sobura ubwenguzo mu ihanga. Ogu yabanza kugeraho rukiko kanso ya Mbarara City aho yashoborera abantu aba baroho zimwanshonge zimuresire ezarugamo kukoma abakozi aba.
Abo bona bayina kuba interdicted with immediate effect and they make statements with the regional CID here with status and corruption. Get interdicted, step aside, we make investigation, you face the law. You cause the government a loss of 712 million in management of property tax. So that one investigation is almost concluded, pending the DPP, but in the meantime also we need their statement as police.
Ezindi nshonge ziyayanjura abanyambarara n'enshonga z'amataka agaguzirwa mu kishobobo
agwa ruti chikona bakagura milioni 3 2021-2022 but they bought in a wetland. Mushimanyire so ababaire mu mulimo ogwo accounting officer and everyone involved in that matter should be arrested and charged for causing financial loss to government. The environment officer should also be interdicted. All the people involved, even when they are retired and they have gone to another place, they should be recalled to answer the charges they left in Mbarara.
Nishabana yungunishe njuhereze ebyape bana bagamba nebye byenyine ecumwe ecyanya mutiyobora heresenda cyurwa Copenhagen leta kanyagora kayatire cyane no yakwatire bariya twashanga ubu yakore cyapa akabasigirwe nini Elia bersigiro twajyanga atakagatana ryo bakatwara twakore cyapa. Okay. And the land title is here.
Oko kwiyarugayo Minisita Baramu yatayira abashubuzi bembaho abokibwo mu ronyeciro gukacwekereza ibintu byabo aruguto rwa Victor Bwana omuri Mbarara City.
Omuyekeza bembaho kimanyi ndoza nyiri takayagala kulikozesa. Kati ngambye meya anonye kibanja kya government kitulyo kumbi abantu abembaho tubafunire bateeka.
Yagumiza muyabwa n'abashubuzi ba Mbarara Central Market abo yasigaye yaragira ngo akaciko akaroho kutandikira chairman wa Katare kashenywe batekeho abebembeza basya. Minisita hona yahikana rutindo rwa Katete urwakozwe sente zuru kurenga miliyoni 300 kandi uko yaragira kwabaho kucondoza ankozesa ya sentezi kandi hona yagira ngo naza kugamba na President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni okureba ngo ruguto rwakorwa.
Minisita urutindoro rwa Katete bakaba barutire budget honorable mwine mpaka biliyoni 5 n'emitwaro 200
ezo kurombeka
ezabe zigezo kurombeka konka ko bashire in between zija za rugom budget itwe twakoze na supplementary zija za rugom budget. Ministry ya finance na local government batwereza miliyoni 500 okwija ku rehabilitating akore cyo twakoze ortindorwo process ya procurement bakaba bariyoni benda ngo bakore mwenu the lowest akana aza kosa miliyoni 5 n'emitwaro 15 ezabe nizikira ezwabe tutungire kuruga ministry ya finance na local government.
Minister Balamu omukurambura kwe yabashendekerezibwa bebembezi bambarara abagira ngo rutayayorwe niruza kuyamba cyangwa kurwanisa uburubwenguzi ogu hona yahendera na balaza eyaba hari Independence Park kandi TV West neija kubikusyaho eshaha yona gasha kwa Ali Washwa umurimbarara City.